Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. So today I'm going to be creating a jewelry box and I'll be using some hair rollers from Dollar Tree. You heard that right, some hair rollers. So if you want to see how I use these rollers, then stick around. Alright, so I headed to Dollar Tree and I bought these rollers and they come in a pack of 8. I purchased 2 of them. Next, I headed to the section where they have these stackable organizing drawers. I purchased 6 of these. I didn't want my jewelry box to be too big, so 6 was enough for me. Okay, so here are my drawers, and I'm just going to show you how I will be stacking them up once I'm completely done with them. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and remove all the labels and tape that it has. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the little drawer because I'm going to be working with the drawer only. Okay, so this is where the foam rollers come into play. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, of course, take them out of the package, and I'm going to remove the little plastic holder that they come with. I'm just going to slip the foam right out of the little holder, and I'm going to do away with the little plastic holders because I don't need them. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue my rollers into my tray as I'm showing you right there. So for the next row, I am going to have to trim my foam just a little bit. And then once I've trimmed them all, I'll go ahead and start to hot glue them. Okay, so now I am done with this, and what this is going to be is a ring holder. I'm going to go ahead and make one more. Now, I could have covered the foam with some felt, but I felt that it looked okay, so I left them as is. Okay, so with these last 4 drawers, what I'm going to do is line them with some felt fabric, and this is also from Dollar Tree. It's from the Crafter's Square collection. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and start by cutting my first piece, and then once I do that, I'll cut 3 more for the rest of my boxes. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is add some 2-sided tape to my felt. This is also from Dollar Tree, and this is from the Crafter's Square collection. It's called Pop Dot Tape. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape on each corner and then place it in my drawer. And this will keep the felt from not moving. Okay, so now this one is complete and I'll move on to the other 3. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is attach 2 together, and I'll be doing that by applying some hot glue to one side of the container and then placing the other one right next to it and then holding it in place until they bond. And I'm just going to repeat the process to the rest of the boxes. Okay, so lastly, what I'm going to do is hot glue the sets stacked up together as I'm showing you right there. I couldn't figure out if I wanted the rings to be up at the top, in the middle, or down at the bottom. So in the end, I just decided to go ahead and leave the rings down at the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is start to hot glue my sets together. I'm putting a generous amount of hot glue. Now I could have used some super glue, but I opt not to. I think that the hot glue will work just fine. You guys, this turned out better than I expected. Now here are the 2 drawers for my rings, and I absolutely love how it turned out. You also have some drawers for your bracelets, your earrings, really any piece of jewelry that you might have that's just lying around and you really don't have storage for it. I don't know about you, but I could always use extra jewelry boxes. And here I just want to take you up close to the ring holder, and here you can't tell that it is hair rollers. Let me know what you think. Alright, well that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'll see you on my next videos, so bye bye and God bless.